Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Google Maps on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Google Maps on your phone, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after you have opened your Google Maps application, you will be on this interface, whereas at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon over here just beside the search bar. And with that being said guys, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us, which is at the below of the settings just above help and feedback. Tap on the settings option over here just above help and feedback, and on this interface, if you scroll down at the bottom of the list here, it says sign out of Google Maps. Tap on sign out of Google Maps and you will be signed out of Google Maps on your phone like this. And if you again want to sign in, simply tap on the settings and again tap on sign in, and you will be able to log in with the account which you want to sign in on your Google Maps. And with that being said guys, this is how to sign out of Google Maps. Simply tap on it and you'll be signed out, and the Google Maps won't show any of the accounts over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log out of Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.